Hey everybody, it's Neil, and this is a center console accessory set for my Tesla, which we are sitting in now. And I'll show you guys what it is, like a cup holder apparatus. And it is really flexible blue silicone, and it just goes right in there. So you can see, oh, maybe you can't. Here we go. So it goes right in here. So instead of it just being the regular Tesla big container, it has this, which has like little nubs in it to fit things in and hold them in place. Let's see if it fits my, there, see, that'll fit in place. Versus when it's not there, it just kind of wiggles around. Boy, it's hard to get out. Okay, here we go. So if I take it out, I'll show you what I mean. You know, it's just not a very solid fit. It just bounces around. But then I put that in, and it'll hold it in place without it bouncing around. So stays in place. So there we go. Very nice. Thumbs up.